Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of each state where it is. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be prosperity, along life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Good morning, everyone. Today's what is brought to you by Grade-VII Students from Grade-VII Sapphire. Word: awareness, meaning knowledge or understanding of a situation or facts. Friends, please follow after me. Awareness. A-W-A-R-E-N-E-S-S. Awareness. Example. Awareness about social issues. Help us make a difference in society. Thank you. Have a nice day. And my name is Karen from Grade-VII Sapphire. Today brought state and sport news. State news. The center approved a 35,045 crore plan for 20 railway projects across Telangana. Sports news. Indian national cricket team defeated South Africa national cricket team in the recent ODI series. Virat Kohli was named player of the series. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. I am Harini of Grade-VII Sapphire. Now I am going to tell tongue twister on climate change. Clean climate change clearly when careless clouds cause carbon clouds. I repeat it again. Clean climate change clearly when careless clouds cause carbon clouds. Thank you. Happy morning to everyone. Today's GK question is brought to you by Dear Nandan of Grade-VII Sapphire. Question for Grade-VII. Which country known as land raising sun?
Japan.
Yes, you picked the correct answer. The answer is Japan. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. What is the full form of UNO?
United Nations Organization.
Yes, you picked the correct answer. The answer is United Nations Organization. Let us appreciate them. When we celebrate World Organization Day?
June 5.
Yes, you picked the correct answer. The answer is June 5. Let us appreciate them. If I have 3 apples, a wait take 2 apples. How many apples do you have?
5.
No, you didn't pick the correct answer. The answer is 2. Let us open question number 1. What can travel around the world without staying in corner? No, you didn't pick the correct answer. The answer is a stamp. Thank you. Have a good day. Very happy morning, everyone. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by Grade-VII Sapphire. I am Tanvishree to update you with international and national news. National news. India hosted Global Climate Conference this week and focusing on renewable energy. The India Space Research Organization ISRO have officially announced the next plans for moon mission. International news. World leaders met at UN to discuss peace and development goals. Many countries are taking steps to fight with global warming and pollution. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's amazing facts are brought to you by Muhammad Amir of Grade-VII Sapphire. Fact number 1. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during summer. Fact number 2. Ants never sleep and they don't have lungs. Fact number 3. Jupiter has only 10 hours in a day. Fact number 4. Venus rotates backward. Fact number 5. Your nose can remember 50,000 different types of scents. Fact number 6. You are taller in morning. Fact number 7. Elephant is the only animal which cannot jump. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone, I am Vidya of Grade-VII Sapphire. Today I want to speak about social awareness on current affairs. In today's world, being socially aware means understanding what is happening around us, in our society, our country and the world. We must know about issues like climate change, women's safety, health and peace. When we stay updated, we love to think critically, make good decisions and help others. Social awareness helps us to grow into a responsible citizen who cares about people and planet. So let's make a habit to read newspaper, watch educational news and discuss current events with our parents and teachers. Remember, small minds discuss people, average mind discuss events, but great minds discuss ideas. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Happy morning everyone. I am Ashwita from Grade-VII Sapphire. I am here to say thought. An informed mind is an empowered mind. I like to repeat it again. An informed mind is an empowered mind. This thought reminds us being aware of what's happening around us help us make a wise, responsible and decisions. Thank you. Have a nice day.